Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we are going to look at how you can manage domain names in the cloud with Amazon Route 53. We're going to look at some of the use cases that Amazon Route 53 supports as well as some of the advantages of using Route 53. Let's go ahead and take a look at the material. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable and reliable DNS web service by AWS. It offers domain registration, DNS management, and health checking, making it ideal for managing domain names in the cloud. Amazon Route 53 is a global DNS service named after Port 53. It manages domain name mappings to IP addresses, directs internet traffic efficiently, and supports various use cases like hosting static websites, multi-region applications, and failover setups. Route 53 allows domain registration directly through AWS, offering various TLDs like .com, .org, and .net. AWS manages all DNS configurations, simplifying the setup process. Route 53 offers advanced DNS routing, supporting AWS services like S3, EC2, and Elastic Load Balancers. It also routes traffic to non-AWS infrastructure, making it ideal for global web management. Route 53 leverages AWS's global network for high availability and scalability. It distributes DNS queries worldwide, ensuring low latency and reliable resolution, even during peak traffic. Route 53 offers various routing policies to optimize traffic. These include simple routing, weighted routing for load balancing, latency-based routing for performance, failover routing for high availability, and geolocation routing for region-specific content. Route 53 uses DNS-based health checks to monitor resource availability. It checks web servers, endpoints, and applications continuously. If a resource is down, Route 53 redirects traffic to healthy alternatives, enhancing service reliability. Route 53 integrates seamlessly with AWS services like Elastic Load Balancing, CloudFront, and S3 for efficient routing. It also uses AWS IAM for secure DNS settings management. Amazon Route 53 can manage DNS for internal applications within an Amazon VPC. This private DNS setup allows for internal domain name resolution, simplifying the management of internal services and applications. You can register a new domain or transfer an existing one to Route 53. Additionally, set up DNS records for easier domain management within the AWS ecosystem. Route 53 supports various DNS records like AAA, CNAME, MX, and TXT. These records map domains to IP addresses, point domain names, direct email traffic, and verify purposes. Manage them using AWS Management Console or AWS CLI. Choose a routing policy based on your needs. Use a simple policy for single applications or weighted policy for testing. Configure these from the Route 53 dashboard. To ensure high availability, set up health checks for your resources. Route 53 can automatically reroute traffic to healthy resources, minimizing downtime. Additionally, monitor and optimize your setup. Route 53 integrates with AWS CloudWatch to monitor DNS traffic. Set up CloudWatch alarms to get notified about issues like high DNS query rates or health check failures. AWS Route 53 is used for website hosting, optimizing global applications, ensuring failover and redundancy, and managing hybrid cloud architectures. In summary, Amazon Route 53 is a versatile DNS service offering domain management, traffic routing, and health checking. It supports both simple websites and complex applications, ensuring high availability and security. Integrated with AWS, it's a top choice for cloud-reliant businesses. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye for now.